Hello, in this third section on the previous part, I will show you how to do the fast process of data with pandas. Let's share you my screen. Okay. I already download my CSV file which I want to analyze. Look the data. Look look at the content of this CSV file. Here's the content of this CSV file. I want to analyze all this data. I want to give you my work, my job is to give you the real information. Is to make this data easily to read. It's my work. But okay, how to do that? Let's go back and to my Jupyter notebook. I can call, for example, I already import the pandas because I'm working in the same Jupyter notebook, but here I'm with CSV, just and go back just to copy and go and come here and to put it here, just to change the sense of that, for giving the possibility to Jupyter notebook to read the directory of my data. Like that. Okay. I need to see this file. Okay, good. What is the shape? Okay. 50 line and 5 column. 50 line and 5 column. The first column is state: Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Iowa, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Louisiana, Maryland. Is the model. So the most durable translation. Yeah, good. If I want to focus my mind in the state, just to, you know, here we have the index. We have the index of all the column. But I need to change this index and to put state like index. That's why I need to change and put state as index in this file. How to do that? Just to put it like that and go here. Index. I need to put column equal, but I need to put a state like index, but I will change, I will remove here and I will put state in its place, just to put like that. Yes, I hope so. All is good. Oh, there is error. Error. Let's look and check what this error. Maybe. Okay, great. I reduce the space. You know. Okay, you know. State here, it index. It index. You know, state here is a index. But I can do the preliminary analysis of this data. Just to put like that. I know the shape. I can evaluate the size. Yes, the size. I can making a statistical. This function like that. Grid, count, unique, top, and frequent. What is evaluate a index? Okay, here's the index. Here's the index. You know, here's the index. Now, here's the index. Okay, great. How to evaluate a column also, if I want. Let's print the column. Okay, here's all the column. No, here's all the column. Can get it. We can create a copy of the data from sorted by a specify a column using a sort value, but I want to use a sort value for creating one new copy of data frame. Okay, but you know, if you give me the permission to go back to the recent file using the previous data set election, we call it election. Let's apply this function. Okay. But I want to focus my mind just on the percentage. Okay, percentage. Okay, percentage of vote. Okay, great. But I want to classify. I want to classify. Ascending. For example. Okay. I hope so. There is not error. Yes, it is error. What is the error? What is okay? Election point sort. The error is here. This is problem. What is the problem? What are I doing? So it's like that. Election. I hope so. Election point sort. Sometimes it takes more time to detect the error. It's normal. I want to put it. Yes. I saw. Normally should be comma. That you are great. A small error that it take a lot of time to detect it. You know. I try to sort it. You know. I try to sort it. Yes, the grid 58.8, 53.4, 52.9, 51.1, 50.7, 50.7, 49.2, 48.4, you know, you see 48.3, 43.2, 47, you know, I thought, yes, the law, you know, we can also use sort that value on series object. How to do that? But I can use this one. You know, I put it like that, and but if I select a random column here, for example, I can select the language. Like it is a string. Yes, you know. If I put all this one here, copy. Put it here. If I print the 10 first line, so also what is the error again? Yeah. C.
happen now. Let's go step by step. Language, is it true? Language, yes. Value. What is the problem? Not axis percentage for object. Yes. Yes. That is great. There's not axis again. Okay, great. Here's the 10 first line state: Spanish, Missouri, Latin, North Carolina, Latin, Arizona, Latin, Arkansas, Latin. You know, very interesting. Very, very interesting. But very, very interesting. You see the power of pandas in data science. We can do a lot of things with pandas. Yes, we can do a lot of things with pandas. I hope so you enjoy, you learn more on this course. I know we need to learn again, but every day we need to learn. It's very important. But I'm just share what I learned. And I'm very happy that many people follow this course. I'm very happy.